Katanat Forest and Environment, Jongka Sarkar Meghalaya, Dangshan kala Pynlong ya ka training program ka baarsngi ha CF Conference Hall da Cop Grade Tura, Halor kaching itu ya ki mar Beain ki bala penmi na ki Mrad Khlaw, kaching khayi Beain, kaching riam Mrad leng bagi kamera, kaching kem bat kaching pelaj im ya ki besen, kaching syapu besen bat kaching yada, kaching hikai syapang ki kam penyap Beain ya ki Mrad Khlaw, ka Jingpynn ya ki hati, bat kaching wanra ikilat ki lenti ban yada na kaching wan pencilor ki hati. Ya kini ke program la Pynlong daka East and West Karo Hills Wildlife Division haga jinga snok tilang bat ka Aranyak bat ka Wildlife Crime Control Bureau WCCB. Kani ke program ka kentup ya ka phang kum kaching khayi Beain ya ki Mrad Khlaw, kaching pelaj im ya ki bisen, kaching penne ya ki hati bat ki wei. U Divisional Forest Officer u Rupankar ke marak ula banjur ba ka benta ba kongsan jong kani ke program kalong ban aibor shu ya ki officer badai pen.
This today workshop has been conducted especially on illegal wildlife trade and its identification, plus how to rescue the snakes and how to handle it. Along with that, we have also had a workshop on human-elephant conflict mitigation measures. And this workshop has been conducted in collaborations with the Wildlife Crime Control Bureau and Aranyak, the NGO from Assam. This workshop, we intend to update our staffs who are there in the field to identify illegal wildlife trade and its poaching, as well as the human-wildlife conflict.
Meghalaya State Pollution